I'm Jordan Prochaska, and I'm here at 222 South Robinson Street here in Baltimore, Maryland. And as you can see, the sellers for this property hired Mustafa with DC Home Remodeling to do this beautiful entire full renovation. And as you can see, Mustafa didn't skip a beat. Look at this open floor plan with this beautiful kitchen here. It is absolutely beautiful, and the way he designed it was very special. You need to come find it yourself. Come stop by at 222 South Robinson Street here in Baltimore, Maryland.